Going fishing. You ready to go fishing?
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Well, the ice is finally off the ponds. My daughter and I is going to come out, fight the wind, try our luck. It's just a little farm pond a few minutes from town. We'll try out some road runners. See how we do. Don't know. Stay tuned. Well, nobody likes to fish into the wind, but a lot of times when the wind's been blowing this hard, it actually creates a current in the pond. And the fish will be laying on the windy side facing the current, catching bait and stuff that comes into it. All you avid fishermen know this. Some people don't, so I thought I'd share that. So we're going to the windy side. It's always a good time. Well, that first pond didn't pan out, so we're coming to good old Faithful here. See how we do. Oh, look at all the wood duck, Sage. Very good. Fish on. Yeah, man. Woo-hoo. Nice one. There we go, folks. That's some tough fishing today. Low pounder. Not too bad. Alright, and he was laying up in the windy side of the bank like I was talking about earlier. They just kind of lay in there facing the wind, so. And the release. Yeah. That's what I was using. Well, it wasn't the easiest day fishing. I think we're going to call it a day on that. I didn't want to get skunked. So, we're going to head in. Call it a day. Appreciate you watching. If you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. We'll do some more. Check you later.